Yes, this is how it'll be. It's gonna end up being with rice, and that's how the results ended. So let's see. Not that after sitting a bit, I was gonna add more vegetables to it, but it tastes just right. So it seems like adding any more vegetables or anything will throw away the flavor that already is there. Like a different kind of bean. That's I don't know what kind of bean it is, probably kidney bean or something. But so I had made an earlier one, and somehow it just didn't want to have to upload every time I tried uploading it. And I tried making it into an album of sorts. And that didn't seem to want to do. It keeps saying that it's processing. So if it works good, I'll end up adding it to the collection. Apparently it became a collection, a series of. Otherwise, whichever way it ends up, that'll be good. And you can see some of them here had started drying out, like when I left it sitting. Like some of the beans you can see, like when I left it sitting after, like they had started drying up from the air, like they're soaking up the moisture, because even now they're still, I turned them off while there was still a bit of juice. You probably see it in the other videos if they get to download or work. And yeah, you'll end up noticing there was a little more water to it, but that water becomes like this very nice, tasty, yummy gravy. And it's just very delicious. Otherwise, it's still warm and going, but it's just perfect temperature for serving it up. So here we go.